Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are living definitely amazing. Yeah, so first of all, happy Ramzan to all of you guys. Sorry for being late, but this video is filmed when Ramzan was started, and now Ramzan has finished. So today's video is about to touch the technicalities of any vlog, and we're going to discuss how to make it more impressive. So we are going to discuss about two factors. One is telling your story with your shorts, like
traveling is extremely important when it comes to aware yourself. I love traveling, but the way that I like to travel, it may be a bit different. But I don't like to travel that type of vehicle which pollute our environment. I love to travel with the bicycle. That's a bit cheap way to travel and explore the world with yourself. Do traveling and live your prestigious moment of your life.
basically in this scenario our shorts will describe the story. What do you want to tell with your audience? That matters. And secondly, we have a direct interaction with your audience by changing your angles, by changing your frames. By the way, it's not a rocket science, okay? Take one shot from different angles, from different frames. Maybe this strategy can bring more perfection in your videos. So let's say that we have a story and trying to shoot it from different angles. We have learned one thing from our society, and that is never look back. I don't know why, what is the phenomena behind this sentence, behind this phrase. But my opinion is a bit different. I think we should look back, because our past is not just full of mistakes. There are lots of memories in that specific box. That is called past. Many people who has left us and many things that made us able to be here. Your past is your learning zone, and you can learn from your mistakes by remembering it. So learn from your mistakes. It's a smart way to improve yourself. So try to shoot one thing from different angles. It will be quite interesting. If your audience is gonna watch this video, so they will not get bored from that video. So that matters. These all the thing for today's video. So I hope you all like this video. Please share this video with your friends, relatives, and wherever you want. Past is gone and future is unknown, but you are beautiful. Don't let yourself down by comparing yourself. Push up.